Does ex post facto apply to civil law? Unfortunately, the issue is not so simple. With one ruling in 1798, the Supreme Court succeeded in muddling the issue of ex post facto laws by holding that the prohibition of retroactive laws applies only to criminal, not civil, laws. Why ex post facto laws are forbidden? They are prohibited by Article 1, Section 10, Clause 1, of the U.S. Constitution. An ex post facto law is considered a hallmark of tyranny because it deprives people of a sense of what behavior will or will not be punished and allows for random punishment at the whim of those in power. What is a retrospective law? Retrospective laws are ones that seek to change the law relating to the past. For example, a retrospective law may make people criminally responsible for doing something that was not actually against the law when they did it. What does retroactive mean in law? Black's Law Dictionary defines a retroactive law as a law that looks backward or contemplates the past, affecting acts or facts that existed before the act came into effect. While Congress often considers legislation that would apply retroactively, the Constitution imposes some limited constraints on such laws. Is ex post facto unconstitutional? Congress is prohibited from passing ex post facto laws by Clause 3 of Article 1, Section 9 of the United States Constitution. The states are prohibited from passing ex post facto laws by Clause 1 of Article 1, Section 10. Not all laws with retroactive effects have been held to be unconstitutional. What is ex post facto law in the Philippines? 22, 1987 Philippine Constitution. What is an ex post facto law? An ex post facto law has been defined as one which makes an action done before the passing of the law and which was innocent when done, criminal, and punishes such action, or which aggravates a crime or makes it greater than it was when committed, or. What is ex post facto approval? Ex post facto is Latin for, from a thing done afterward. Approval for a project that's given ex post facto, after the project already has been begun or completed, may just have been given in order to save face. What is the meaning of post facto? After the fact, retroactively. Ex post facto, adjective. Definition of ex post facto: entry 2 of 2, done, made, or formulated after the fact. Retroactive ex post facto approval. Ex post facto laws. What is post facto clearance? Ex post facto clearance of projects. Primarily, all the industrial units and projects operating illegally without environmental clearance have an opportunity to turn into legal units under this provision by submitting a remedial plan and by paying the prescribed penalty. Don't forget to subscribe for more of these videos.